This question is about subtracting. We have the cube root of 189x minus the cube root of 56x. Here we're looking at cubes. So we have to think about 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64. If we get our minds thinking about that, this sort of helps these problems along quicker. 189 is a little bit strange, so let's go ahead and think about 56 first. We know we're going to subtract the cube root of 56x from the cube root of 189x. 56 is pretty common with our multiplication tables. We have an 8 times 7, and we know that 2 cubed is 8, so we can go the cube root of 8 times 7x. If we use 7x and think about how we might be able to put that into 189x, 3 cubed is 27, and 27 times 7 is 189. So sometimes you want to look at the easier one and maybe help you along with the one that seems more difficult. So in this case, we're going to have here the cube root of 27 times 7x. We are looking for common terms here, so that's another thing you might want to think about as you're doing these. It's easier to subtract when you have a common term. So we can break this down just a little bit. We have the cube root of 27 times the cube root of 7x. From that we're going to subtract the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 7x. Now if we solve a little bit on this, the cube root of 27 is 3. We're going to still multiply that by the cube root of 7x. And the cube root of 8 is 2, and we're still going to multiply that by the cube root of 7x. And sure enough, here we have like terms. The cube root of 7x are our like terms. We have 3 cube root 7x minus 2 cube root 7x. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we're left with 1 cube root 7x, or just cube root 7x, and that is our answer.